Hey everyone, it's Tripwire, moderation's rear view mirror, the only Reddit tool that watches what happens after you approve. Every moderation tool on Reddit fires at submission, auto mod, post guidance, crowd control. The moment you approve a post, every one of them goes blind. That's not me talking. Auto moderators' own docs say it. It can't act on approved content. It can't react to edits. That blind spot is an attack surface. 15% of subreddit posts in 2025 shows AI generation patterns. In some subs, mod says it's half. In a Zurich experiment, AI commentators were 6 times more persuasive than humans. Cornell calls it a very disruptive triple threat. Nobody on Devitt has built a tool for it. We are the first ones. How it works: when a mod approves something, we snapshot it. When the author later edits it, we difference against that snapshot, and the score drift across 4 categories. Above the threshold, we requeue with the full difference. Every event live in a mod only dashboard. 1 click to remove or restore. 0 config, 0 AI, 0 per call cost. The moment that wins it. Frame 1, a wholesome post. The mod approves it. Frame 2, 14 seconds later, the author edits it and injects a scam link. Frame 3, under a second later, Tripwire pulls it from a feed and sends the team this mod mail with the exact difference. New mail, new link, new domain, body rewritten. Auto moderator is structurally incapable of this. And that's not one trick. The engine defends against the real world stuff, like link cloaking, homoglyphs like a Cyrillic A inside the word PayPal, Trojan source, BD attacks, brand typo spotting, IP in disguise, free hosting swaps. Every defense cites a real research. It's deterministic. ReDOS safe and 135 unit test pass. Why this wins the rubric? Community impact. Every subreddit gets bait and switched. It's a universal pain. Then we have a deterministic core. We can't fail live. Ecosystem impact. Net new on Devitt. Nobody else has built this before. Then moderator choice. Every mod has been burned by edit after approval. Now they have received. One deliberate call. No AI. The deterministic core stays free and explainable. Tripwire, we are live on Devitt app directory, end-to-end validated, source code on GitHub. What we are going to do next: link route monitoring, sleeper account pivot detection, and per mod accountability. Moderation's rear view mirror now installed. Thank you. Hey everyone, this is Tripwire's demo. Every moderation tool on Reddit fires when a post is submitted. Auto moderator, post guidance, everyone. But the moment you approve a post, everyone goes blind. That's not me being dramatic. Automod's own documentation says this. So we have built Tripwire. It watches what happens after you approve the post. So this is a totally normal post. Here, as you can see, nothing suspicious. Let's post this. I am a mod, so I approve it. Let's click on approve. So as you can see, the post have been successfully uploaded. And just like that, it's live. Now, from this exact moment, nothing on Reddit is watching what happens to this post anymore. Now, imagine it climbs the feed, hundreds of eyes on it, and then the author edits it, like this. And in this heartwarming post, but now there's a scam link in it. They keep the framing, they just add the payload, and they just click on save. Now watch what happens. When I refresh the page, as you can see, when I refresh the page, within seconds, no human action happened. Tripwire pulled it from the feed and it dropped this into a team's mod mail. If here, when I refresh in the mod mail, we can see the approved content diffrated, we can see the score, and I can see the severity and the exact difference. Then we can see the new link has been added to this. As you can see, body changed, 53% of text was added after approval. We can view the post from here. It tells the team what changed, who approved it, and where the post is. No magic numbers, no opaque AI. Every flag explains itself. Now when I go here and when I open Tripwire's drift log, here it is. As you can see, and every drift event lives in a mod only dashboard inside the subreddit itself. So every catch is with receipt. Now let's restore the post back. Here we'll click on restore. And let's go in and refresh. Here it is. The post is there again with the updated link. And now here's what makes Tripwire different from every other AI flavored moderation tool you have seen. It's fully deterministic. There is no LLM in the critical path, no API cost, no external services. It runs entirely on Reddit's own infrastructure. Every install scales to zero developer cost, and it defends against the real stuff. So finally I would say Tripwire, moderation's rear view mirror, now installed. Thank you.